my Anthurium plant, and today I will show you how to multiply your Anthurium plant without removing it from its pot. So this is the inner view of the Anthurium plant, in which you should find a node point from where new shoot of the Anthurium plant is coming out. This is the node point of the Anthurium plant from which new plant can be propagated. But I will skip this node point of this plant because it is too tiny to propagate and it has only 2 leaves. So I am choosing this node point of this plant because it is grown well and it is large in size and it also has 4 to 5 leaves. So you to choose the node point by seeing these criteria. Slowly pull the node point and bend it downwards while pulling. When it gets loosened, you rotate it 360 degrees and it will easily be removed from the main plant. So here I have removed this node point from the main plant. Apply turmeric powder on the point from where the plant was got cut. We apply turmeric powder because it acts like a natural fungicide and prevents any fungal disease to the plant. Apply turmeric powder on the cut point of the sapling also. Anthurium plant loves well-drained soil, so you make sure that you are using well-drained potting mix and use a pot with 4 to 5 drainage holes. I am using some wooden sticks, coconut husk and gravels at the bottom to cover the holes. It will make the drainage system well. This potting mix consists of 50% garden soil, 50% cow dung manure and some dried leaves. Compost tea. Compost tea is a liquid fertilizer to your plants. To make compost tea, you will need any kind of compost like cow dung compost, kitchen waste compost or vermicompost. You will also need tulsi leaves, neem leaves, aloe vera gel and tea leaves. Tea leaves means powder from which you make tea. Mix all the things in water with any kind of compost and keep this mixture to one night or 24 hours. Make sure to add tea leaves because it is high source of nitrogen and nitrogen help in leaf growth. So it will help the Anthurium plant to recover and grow new shoot. Add handful of garden soil when you are making the compost tea because it is rich in humus and it is the good source of microorganisms. And these microorganisms will help in quick breakdown of the compost tea in plant root. Apply this compost tea to your newly propagated plants. It will help them to boost their growth. These are the mind-blowing results of this compost tea. So make sure to use this compost tea in all plants of your garden. Please do like, share and subscribe to Gardening Soul and press the bell icon and make the settings to all. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.